guys still hear us?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Yes.
Alright.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think the question that I will answer is number 2. What is the one fun thing that I enjoy the most here is when we played human football. Yeah, so it was fun. I mean, it was an experience, a new experience for me to play human football, and everybody was enjoying kicking the ball, and we did have real good fun on that game. Yeah, so that's one. What I think I'll answer number 5. What would you recommend other team members from visiting when they visit here, right, in Pakistan? So don't drink classic. That was something I would tell them when they come here to, if you cannot take new food, maybe avoid some